Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you something really cool. So, I made some slime, and with some weird experiments. So look. So this slime. Wait, it just started like this. Okay, hold on.
So if this texture doesn't work,
But it needs to make some more because it's kind of like slime.
so you really making a video.
And so yeah.
So guys, we're gonna just touch the slime to see if I already made my hands. Just like a little bit of stickiness, a little bit of goodness. So what you gotta do is you gotta keep touching it and mixing it, and it will eventually make like slime, and you will have the texture that you desire. So we're just gonna keep mixing this slime up, touching it and everything for that slime.
Okay, so
Get better.
leave down in the comments and see if this is real slime or not. So
It's like
if
jiggly slime.
it's
Yeah,
not,
honestly,
you could tell me what I did wrong and I could add it. That's for easy.
but it sounds
It's
like slime.
jiggly, but when you try to and go fold it, see,
It's kind of like watery.
water slime,
Yeah.
water slime, I don't know. Yeah, so let's just keep mixing it. Excuse me. So, guess what I made this from? I made it from shower gel and some soap shavings. Let's make this more. Then I mixed it, I mixed it, I mixed it, and I mixed it. I left it out for like...
For 3 days?
No, I left it out for 3 minutes. And then I kept mixing it, mixing it, mixing it, and then left it for the rest of the time. And I got this type of texture. So I would say you just mix it and leave it out for like 30 minutes and then come back to it, I think. Because then mix it. Or just leave it in a freezer for like 24 minutes or something like that. Yeah.
It's thickened up, that's for sure.
We're not even supposed to be making this.
Yeah. It's thickened up. So I could hear it.
Okay.
I don't know if when you press it comes back, but I'm just gonna so I'm just gonna keep messing with it, like grab it and everything.
Okay. It's a little foggy. The phone is a little foggy.
Wait, I'm coming back. I'm just gonna fix it. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's
Oh, it's
foggier.
too foggy here. Okay. Okay, now it's better. Okay, so I have to show my slime, please. You know how people say, stop it. You know how people say, that use paper toilet inside the slime, so it can, make a slime. So toilet paper slime. So we're gonna like get paper toilet right now for the slime, and we'll see how that turns out. Well, first we're gonna take a piece of this, add paper toilet, and mix it up to see how it goes.
Because if we do all of it, and if it's messed up, we're doomed. So yeah, good. So yeah, let's go get the paper toilet, and we will be right back to the video.
Let's go. Okay.
So we got the paper
Here I
toilet.
have 3 pieces of paper toilet. So we're gonna take a piece and we're gonna put it on here. Okay, so I'm gonna take a piece. I'm gonna take this little piece right here. Okay. I'm just get a little piece of this. Okay, here's paper towel. Cut some out. Just gonna pull a little bit of paper towel in here. I think I need the slime. I don't know, maybe. Or maybe not. Well, it is gathering up and all that. Okay. It's not a big of a deal. We'll just scrape it off. I think this is like jiggly slime. I don't know, maybe.
It's definitely not jiggly slime.
So this recipe definitely did not work. Because every time you poke it, there's some of this on my fingers. So it
This
definitely
one-
did not work.
I think it worked. Yeah, I think it worked.
Okay, so let's just keep mixing this.
And I'll take that away.
Okay. Let's see if yeah. Okay. We're gonna add one more thing to this slime.
So
Okay.
coming back.
We're gonna put on the color.
Wait, no.
Let's go.
No. So, see guys, so we're just gonna mix it. We're gonna keep mixing it while my sister goes to get her color before we could add color to these slime. So as you can see, this slime is working. We love slime, we love making slime, and yeah. So now we're gonna
Okay.
get the
So I'm here with the color, so I want this pink color. So this is what we're gonna do. So you're gonna take this top off, and then you're gonna like take the what's inside of it out. So this, and then do like this. While she mix. So that's all you gotta do.
If you want to turn like a lot of pink, you just keep adding some and adding some and adding some if you
I
want.
don't know if you can see it, but it's definitely pink.
Yep. So Glenn, why don't you add more?
Okay, let me take the top off.
Okay.
Okay, so let's do it. Okay, so here's the top. Okay, so
She's just gonna keep adding them. While I keep mixing it, we're gonna put 3 dots this time. A little bit
Okay.
more. I'm just gonna get another color.
let's put it back. Okay, let's do some magic. This is magic, come on.
And let's do other magic.
Did nothing on my hands. Okay.
And we're gonna add purple in this mixture.
Okay, bring it over here.
You wanna mix it?
Yeah.
So we're just gonna add purple. Oh, it got stuck to my hand.
That's enough purple, because then it's gonna, you know, like, turn purple, not pink.
Oh, ew, wait, ew.
This recipe is kind of like a success. And, yeah.
You know what, guys? We're gonna keep adding a lot of colors, okay?
No, we're not.
Why not?
If you can hear my voice, I am sick. I think y'all already know that. And, yeah.
So, I'm just gonna keep mixing faster. Well,
Just keep mixing, just keep mixing. Let's make some other magic. So, yeah. Okay? Okay, so we're gonna take the top off now. Come on, let's go. 1, 2, Okay. Okay. Let's add some in. I got orange all over my hand. It looks like blood, doesn't it? But it's really not blood.
Just gonna keep mixing.
Let's put it
This is
back.
kind of making like a peachy color.
So I'll put the tab back on. I love making magic. Let's put the tab back on. Okay. So this is
We're
to
gonna
soak it
add
out.
a little bit more pink because it's kind of turning peach. So let's do some magic. So I'm just gonna see if I can do this quick. Wait, guys, I'm just gonna.
There wasn't no way without us. Oh god, you got no mountains, but
It's like worth a shot.
So I'm mixing it real hard.
No.
Okay, so I think this slime is all finished.
We did
Okay,
the color
wait.
and everything. Comment down below if you love the color. We love the color. It's like kind of like pinkish.
Okay, so
Like
let's
that.
test it out.
So I'm just
Let's
gonna
test
get
it
a
out.
little bit.
Okay, so
We put it in here
we put it on
because we
here.
want to play with it. Yeah. So for the test, for the real test, for this can be slime. I'm just gonna test it fast. I'm gonna test it. So what it's supposed to do for the test is, I'm supposed to squeeze it, and it's supposed to make a sound. If it doesn't make a sound, it's not slime. If it does make a sound, it is slime.
Okay.
So it made a sound, but it's not the sound that I was looking for.
Oh god.
So it's
Okay.
like kind of slime, kind of not slime. That's what I think. That's what I personally think. If anybody thinks anything else, well, comment
That's
down
fine.
below.
No, you don't have to. Okay, fine.
I'm just gonna just keep mixing it.
Oh god, yes, do that. I saw this like a slime texture. I don't know if I could hear it. Okay, here. So close to getting under rug, but good thing it did not. So this is some magic. Okay, come on.
Ta-da!
Okay, we got the slime all set. So we're gonna see you back with another video. Bye bye.